Hello viewers, from this tutorial you are going to learn how to change mouse DPI or how to check mouse DPI or resolution. Just go to search option. If you are using Windows 10, just click here to search mouse settings and click on mouse settings. From here just go to additional mouse option, then go to mouse pointer option, then uncheck enhance pointer precisions. Just uncheck this, then from here apply and OK. Close it. Open a browser. Just type here. I'm searching here mouse sensitivity test. Just open DPI Analyzer. From this website, I will check my mouse DPI or resolution. Go this website, mouse sensitivity, then scroll down. Just I will put a value target destination. I put type 1. From this, then from here this round symbol, just I will put it right. Repeat the step again, then here your result actual DPI is 280.00. That's it. This is the actual way for your mouse DPI resolution checking. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.